Okay, double distribution with multivariables. I'm trying to get it to present. Yeah, so questions 5 through 8. I tried pausing the recording so you don't have to. Okay, here we go. First, outer, inner, last. Okay, so really we're taking this 2x and just distributing it to everything in the other parenthesis. Fine. Or you can think about it, first term times the first term, which is what F in FOIL is for. 2x times 3x. Well, 2 times 3 is 6. X times x is x to the second power. All right, our outer terms, or just 2x to the other thing, 2x times 6y. 2 times 6 is, of course, 12. X times y is just xy. Now, this y times 3x, well, is 3. And then y times x, we go alphabetically. And then y times 6y is positive 6. And then y times y is, of course, y to the second power. That's a plus. All right, so there's only this one x squared term, so he can just come down. But I can combine the 12 and the 3 because they are both xy. Those are like terms. So 12 plus 3 is 15. And this positive 6y squared just comes down. So 6x squared plus 15xy plus 6y squared. Okay, so you guys should be writing this down, and then you'll have class time to just like type it in and fill it in later. Okay, another one. F O I L. 3m times m. 3m times m. M times m is m squared. M times negative, or you could think about it, -1. Positive times negative is negative. M times n is mn. Okay, now you can think about it, the inner terms. Positive 3 mn, because we go alphabetically. Then positive 3n times -1m. Positive times a negative is negative. 3 times 1 is 3. N times n is n squared, or n to the second power. Just like always, we will be combining our like terms in the middle, but something cool happens here. -3 plus 3. You owe me $3. You have 3 in your pocket. You pay me. Now you have nothing left. You don't owe anything. You have nothing. So these guys actually sort of cancel each other out and disappear. And the -3n squared comes down. And it's a beautiful thing. All right, here's another one. So 4x times 7x. Our first terms. 4 times 7 is 28. X times x is x squared. Cool. Our outer terms. Positive times negative is negative. 4 times 1 is 4. X times y is xy. -5y times 7x. Negative times a positive is negative. 5 times 7 is 35. Y times x, we go alphabetically, xy. -5y times -1y. Negative times negative is positive. 5 times 1 is 5. And we got y squared. Okay, we're going through combining like terms. 28x squared. There's no other x squared, so it just comes down. So 28x squared. Now we're looking at these middle terms. -4 minus 35. You owe me $4. You borrow 35 more. That's insane. 39 xy plus 5y squared over here. So 28x squared minus 39xy plus 5y squared. All right, hopefully we have a little bit of a rhythm by now. Hopefully at this point you're just actually checking the videos to see if you got the answers right and you tried it by yourself first. 4x times 8x, 32. X times x is x squared. 4x times 5y, both positive. 4 times 5 is 20. X times y is xy. Negative 2y times 8x is negative, right? Negative times a positive. 2 times 8 is 16. Y times x is xy. All right, negative 2y times 5y is negative. 2 times 5 is 10. Y times y. Oh, come on, dude. Y squared. All right, we've only got this one x squared term. Man, it's so laggy. Okay, 20 minus 16, don't overthink that. 20 minus 16 is just 4, positive 4, xy, and then minus 10y squared. Bet. 32x squared plus 4xy minus 10y squared.